What's up, my dear students? It's Naresh Babu. Welcome back to Physics Crash. Cbse 10th Science exam. How to get easily marks in physics? No worries. Physics Crash is here with you. So, let us start the game. Electricity. 3 marks questions. An electric kettle of 2 kilowatt works for 2 hours daily. So here we have electric kettle whose power is 2 kilowatt. It works 2 hours daily. Calculate the A. Energy consumed in SI and commercial units. B. Cost of running it in the month of June at the rate of 3 rupees per unit. Solution. Given power of electric kettle 2 kilowatt. Here kilo means 1000. So 2 into 1000 we will get 2000 watt, and time T is equal to 2 hours. Energy consumption. We have the formula for energy consumption, that is E is equal to power into time. That is equal to, in the place of power I substituted 2 kilowatt, and in the place of time I substituted 2 hours. So if I multiply, then I got 4 kilowatt hour. Now B. Total energy consumed in month of June, that is for 30 days. So per day it is using for 2 hours, so it is consuming 4 kilowatt hour. Then for 30 days, that is 4 into 30 kilowatt hour, that is equal to 120 kilowatt hour. So kilowatt hour means units, so we got 120 units. Now we have to find cost of running electric kettle. See, they have given per unit 3 rupees. So for 120 units, how much? That is 120 into 3 rupees. So we got 360 rupees. That's about B. Now we will go with second question. 2 bulbs A and B are rated as 90 watt 120 volt and 60 watt 120 volt respectively. See here the circuit diagram. So here we have circuit. In this circuit we have 2 bulbs A and B. So here A is rated 90 watt and 120 volt, and B is rated 60 watt and 120 volt. These two are connected to the source 120 volt. Look at here, they are connected in parallel across a 120 volt source. So these 2 bulbs are connected parallel with 120 volt battery. Find the current in each bulb. So we have to calculate current in each bulb. Which bulb will consume more energy, and also we have to find which bulb consumes more energy. Solution. Bulb A rated power 90 watt and rated voltage 120 volt. See, we have formula for resistance. So that is R1 is equal to V1 square by P1. So here we have to calculate resistance of this bulb A. So here V1 means rated voltage, that is 120 into 120 by P1 means rated power, that is 90 watt. So if you simplify, we will get 160 ohm. Now we will calculate current through this bulb A, that is I1 is equal to V by R1. Here V means source voltage, that is 120, and R1 we got 160 ohm. So if you substitute, then we will get 120 by 160, that is equal to 0.75 ampere. Now for bulb B, we know that its rated power 60 watt and rated voltage 120 volt. So we will calculate resistance of this bulb B, that is R2 is equal to V2 square by P2, that is equal to 120 into 120 by 60. We got 240 ohm. So we will calculate current through this bulb B, that is I2 is equal to V by R2. So that is 120 by 240. So we got 0.5 ampere. So from P is equal to VI, we know that at constant voltage, power is directly proportional to I. So here among bulb A and B, through bulb A, more current is flowing. So here power consumption will be more in bulb A. So bulb A consumes more energy than compared to bulb B. So we can say bulb A consumes more energy than bulb B. Now we will go with third question. In third question, A. Why are copper or aluminum wires generally used for electrical transmission and distribution purposes? B. Two wires, one of copper and other of manganese, have equal lengths and equal resistances. Which wire is thicker? Given that resistivity of copper is lower than that of manganese. Solution. Here for first question A, we have answer, that is copper or aluminum wires are used for transmission and distribution of electricity. So here copper and aluminum are metals. So we can use to distribute or to transmit electricity due to their low resistivity and high conductivity. And for B question, from resistance R is equal to rho L by A, we can write rho by A is equal to R by L. So here R by L ratio constant. Why? Because both are having same resistance and same length. Then we can write resistivity is directly proportional to area of cross section of the given conductors. So among given metals, which one having more resistivity, that one is more thicker. Given resistivity of manganese is more than copper, so manganese wire is thicker than copper. Now we will go with fourth question. Two conducting wires of same material, equal length and equal diameter are connected in series. How does the heat produced by the combination of resistance change? Here the solution. Let the resistances of two wires are R each. Heat produced by individual resistor. So we have the formula for heat, that is H is equal to V square by RT. So here we are calculating for individual resistors. So H suffix I means heat produced by individual resistors, that is V square by RT, that is equation 1. Now we will connect these individual resistors in series. So resistance in series, that is Rs is equal to R1 plus R2, that is each are having R. So I can write R plus R, that is equal to 2R. Now heat produced by the combination of resistors, that only we have to find, that is heat produced by the combination of resistors, that is H suffix C is equal to V square by 2 RT. That is equal to, here from equation 1 we know that V square by RT means HI, that is heat produced by individual resistor. So I substituted here equation 1. So from 1 I got this one. So finally we got the relation between heat produced by the combination of resistors and individual resistors. That is, heat produced by the combination of resistors is equal to half of the heat produced by the individual resistors. Now we will go with fifth question. Find the number of electrons transferred between 2 points kept at a potential difference of 20 volt if 40 joule of work is done. Solution. Given potential difference V is equal to 20 volt, work done is equal to 40 joule. So we have formula, work done is equal to potential difference into charge. So from that, charge is equal to W by V. So here W, work done 40 joule, and potential difference V 20. So I substituted 40 by 20. Then I got 2 coulomb. See, from Q is equal to Ne, we can find number of electrons, that is N is equal to Q by E. Now I substituted in the place of Q 2 coulomb and in the place of E charge of electron. Then I got 1.25 into 10 power 19 electrons. That's about the session, my dear students. In next session we will discuss 2 marks questions in electricity. I hope you like this video. If you like it, share it and subscribe it. And it will be useful for many 10th students, those who are going to write science exam. Wish you all the best, my dear. Bye, students.